So today, so we did chapter 18 in class, which is about getting started with Django. Basically, we're going to set up a project. Then we're going to create a virtual environment and then activate it and then store pub in Django. And then we're going to create the projects by running these codes into the terminal, and it will create our projects for us, as we can see over here. Where is it? Over here. These are our projects, and then we can view the project by running this code python.manager py run server, and it will show us the web page, and you'll see the rocket. And then we're going to start the app. So we run the following commands in the terminal, and that will create the folders for us to create the apps. So as we can see over here in learning logs, that has been done. Then over here, we're just getting some codes to add. And then over here by python.py make migrations, that says any changes that were made. And then we um add these commands in terminal, and it will create a user that's going to ask for our email address or password, and then it's going to say created successfully. And then moving on, registering the admin site, and then we go when we add a code for the admin site and then save it and then go and check on the website, we will see exactly that Django administration. And then migrating entry level, and then registering the admin site. Mm. Then we have making pages. So we're gonna add all these codes into our modules, and then we're gonna create our template folder. It will have our index.html. So when you add that following code and you save it and then run the server, we will get this on our web page. And then building additional pages. So in our templates folder, we're gonna create a base HTML and then add the codes in, and then after that, um, we're gonna create the topics.html, add the codes, and then once we run the server, we will see our topics, chess and rock climbing that we added in the admin website for Django. And then over here we just where is it? Over here we're going to add a functionality to add topics to our web page. So when we add in the code that is given in the textbook, we will see that over here we will see our entries for the topics when it was created and our little summary of what the topic is about. And that is it for chapter 18 and then chapter 19. So over here, allowing users to enter data. So basically, we take all the code and then we're going to put it in our code. Um, and once we've done that, we will just run the server and we will get to figure 19.1. I can do that. So let me just get this link. So it was a learning log topics, add new topics. Let me just show you. Over here, as we can see, I can add a topic. Just going to say, and it's work now. I added the topic, and then new entries is our next topic. So once we added all the code, um, we will see in our web page that we can add a new entry and write what we need to write, and then when we ended all the other code going down from 19.2, we will have the this on our web page displayed, and then setting up user accounts over there. When we run the following commands, we will also be starting our projects again. Let me just show you in my accounts folder. It is being created when I ran the following commands, and then this is the code that they're giving us. So we obviously have to paste it over there, and then we're gonna have a login page. So let me just show you. Oh, we're creating the login page. So obviously we have the login.html that we're gonna add in our templates. That will run some codes to get our login page, and then this will display on our web, but I don't have that because my code has been already styled. So what was it? Let me log out. So over here we can register, and then username, password, all that, and it I can register. Um then moving out, we are creating the logout function. So same thing, copy the code, and then we will run it, and then run the server. Let me just show you. I can log in. There's my username and password, and then once I'm logged in, I can log out. And I have logged out, and I can log in again. And then moving on, allowing users to own the data. So restricting access with login required. So basically, we're gonna add all the codes, and then run the following commands into our terminal. And basically that will and then moving on, we've got chapter 20, installing and deploying an app. So basically we run this into our terminal, and then we add the necessary code that needs to be added, and then as you've seen my web page already, it says Circular Learning. That's how we styled it. And then moving on, it's just a whole bunch of code that we have to move to our HTMLs, because now we're working with the HTMLs. And then over here it will show the login page, which I've already shown, but let me show it again. Over there. And that is basically about it for chapter 18, 19, and 20. Thank you for watching.